Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make a simple composition with Revolve tool and Fall Apart tool. First, let's talk about Fall Apart tool. So let's go to the SelfCAD, make a new project. I've already made it, and let's import an image to 3D. You can see we got the image and resolution is not too good, so we can increase the resolution. Okay, so now I want this image to follow my path. So I'll make a path first. My path is this. Now to be followed, what I'll do is I'll select the object first and then the follow path, and then I'll go to the toolbar to and follow path option, and I'll wrap it. I'll wrap around the path that I have made. Now you can see the object was straight, but now it has wrapped around the given path that I have made perfectly. Okay, I don't want this, so so I have deleted this. Now let's talk about follow part but duplicate one. Again, select the object first and then the following path. Now I'll do the duplicate. This image is quite heavy because of the resolution. Um, okay, this is getting heavier, so I'll show you in a small image. It will always ask you if you want to delete it or not. So let's delete everything, and this time I'll choose a small cube. Okay, the cube, and now I'll make a path. Now you can see the option is not coming of the follow path because I haven't selected the cube yet. So first I'll select the cube and then the following path. Now the follow path tool has come. Okay, now let's duplicate it. See, I have number of copies 55, so it has been overlapped, and you can see we are not getting it very well. So we'll do copies to around 5, I guess. Yeah, now you can see all the boxes have evenly distributed. Now imagine you have to make something like a chair or something. So let's take another cube, and this time let's give it a height of around this, and now let's select this. Okay, perfect. Now follow path, now duplicate, and now see, it has evenly distributed along the path that we have. Now we can do one thing. I don't want it to be started from the beginning. I want it to be started from the middle. So I'll take the starting point to the center, and now you can see the line has been divided. Now there is a thing called taper. What does this taper do is increase and decrease a point. So here I can increase the point and decrease the point as much as like. This gave us a very creative form, but I don't need this, so I'll do the taper 0. The cube has perfectly followed the path. So now let's make a composition. First, let's make something with the Revolve tool. So I'm making a small pot. Okay, now I'll give some arcs to it. I'm making the pot closed. If you have any question regarding fall apart tool, you can comment on the comment section. So now let's delete unnecessary lines. Now I'll rotate it around the 90-degree x-axis, and I'll go to the toolbar to make it revolve around this line. Looks perfect. So I have this shape now, but I need the beads also. So let's make some beads. I've made 2 pots already. So now let's okay, perfect. Now let's make some beads. First, again, I'll take a sphere of radius 6. Here is our sphere. Okay. Now I'll make a path. I'm making a free path. See, this will be the my path. Sorry. Now what I'll do is I'll select the sphere first, not the line. I'll select the sphere first and then the following path, and then do the follow path. This time I don't need to do the wrap tool. I simply do a duplicate. Now you can see it has been duplicated, but let's increase the number of balls. Yeah, this looks fine. Now you can see we have this 89 circles. We can click on it individually, but let's merge them. It will take a moment because we have 89 objects to be merged. It is a very easy composition. just two balls and a beads. I think my internet connection is slow, that's why it's taking this time. Otherwise, it will done in a moment. Okay, this is taking longer than I expected because of my net. So if you guys have any problem regarding any tool, do comment. I'll make a video on it. Okay, now it has been merged. You can see a black line over here. That is the outline that we have made. So I'll just hide it. Perfect. So now this is my composition which we have made with Revolve and Fall Apart tool. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.